Here is how we can disable the swipe to open a camera on the iPhone. So you can find it inside of the settings. In there, when you scroll through the options and below the accessibility, you should be able to find camera. Once you click on a camera like that, another set of options, mostly about capturing photos, but as you go below, you'll be able to see some more technical parts of this, and one of the toggle says lock screen swipe to open camera, and it is up to you to decide how you want to have it, but you can disable it, of course. And right now, if I lock the device and make it go like this, I don't have the ability to swipe to access the camera, right? So that's something you can keep in mind and then disable it. Just keep in mind that even though I cannot really swipe, I still have the camera button in there, so I can still get to the camera if I wanted to, simply because the toggle is there. But this one can also be removed when you hold it down on the screen like this. Go to the lock screen edit mode, and you can as well replace the camera icon right in here, and just bring in here something else, for example calculator. And when I hit it done, now there is no way to access the camera from the lock screen. So if that's what you wanted to access and achieve, hit the thumbs up to let me know that we managed to make it work. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.